Welcome to my journey of becoming an instructional designer. I just finished my MBA. Yes, graduation is on June 7th, and by the time this video is posted, I will have already graduated. And now I'm diving into my next degree, which is a master's in instructional design and technology with a concentration in online teaching and learning. I started the program 2 weeks ago and I'm already loving it. It's super hands on, which is exactly what I was hoping for. And throughout the program, we will be building our portfolios and working on real projects that go straight into them, which I think is such a valuable approach. Right now, you're watching me complete step one of my first project, setting up my instructional design portfolio. We're just laying the foundation and adding pages and organizing the sections that we will fill out later on. I've already outlined the services and packages that I plan to offer, and I made sure to choose a portfolio layout that allows me to add in my own samples later. We had 4 different platform options that we could choose from, and I went with the one that I am most comfortable with and familiar with using, which is Wix. I was going for a very sleek but professional layout. I will say that Wix is not my favorite platform. I feel that the user interface could be better and more responsive. I have tried it on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, and it's always slow, like there's a lag in the system. I prefer something that moves as fast as I do. So, yeah, that bothers me a little bit. But besides that, it's a really good option for any type of website you want to build. If you ask my opinion on the best platform that is versatile and fits whatever industry you're in, I would recommend Shopify. It's very easy to use, drag and drop features that will help anyone, even on an intermediate level. Now, while there are some built in features, they also offer a lot of apps. It can become overwhelming, and you may feel like you need all of them to have a flawless experience on the platform, but you really don't. When I'm building a Shopify site, I like to look for the least expensive apps, but the ones that also perform well, while also looking for apps that can do multiple things. So, for example, if I'm looking for a membership app, I want the membership app to also allow me to build a course inside of that app and also provide storage for storing digital products instead of having to add an app for each of those individual features. There are some free apps on Shopify that are very useful, but if you want more features, you generally have to go for the paid apps. And those apps can become expensive the more you add on top of the monthly fee you already have to pay for to use Shopify. But it really is the GOAT of all platforms, in my opinion. I see myself moving my portfolio to Shopify after my program is over with. While in the program, I'm also taking some elective courses. Some of those are graphic design using Adobe and web coding. Both of these are something that I absolutely love and have taught myself how to do over the years, but I'm excited to get a more in depth and structured lesson on these skills so that I can enhance my overall skill set. I'm so excited to keep sharing this process with you and to see what kinds of projects we get to work on next. And if you're curious about instructional design, online learning, or building a career in this space, make sure to subscribe and follow along. There's so much more to come.